Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about Prestige Golden Grove, a premium residential development by Prestige Group located in Tellapur, Hyderabad. If you are looking for a spacious home in one of the Hyderabad's fastest growing neighborhood, then this project is definitely worth exploring. With modern amenities, thoughtfully designed homes, and excellent connectivity, Prestige Golden Grove offers a perfect mix of comfort, convenience, and lifestyle. So, in this video, we will talk about project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, configuration, pricing, and everything else you need to know. So, let's start with the project overview. Prestige Golden Grove is spread across a massive 28.6-acre land parcel and is designed as a modern integrated residential community. The project features around 5,120 thoughtfully planned residences spread across 10 high-rise towers, each with a 2-basement and 3-level car parking podium and 52 floors. You can choose from spacious 2, 3 and 4 BHK homes, all designed with a practical layout, premium specification and plenty of natural light and ventilation. Whether you are buying your first home or upgrading to a larger one, this project offers options for every type of family. And talking about the location, so Prestige Golden Grove is situated in Tellapur, one of the Hyderabad's most rapidly developing residential hubs. The project enjoys excellent connectivity to major IT corridor, school, hospital, shopping destinations, and transport links, making everyday travel smooth and convenient. For daily commuting, DPS Hyderabad is around 10 minutes away, Lingampalli railway station is about 15 minutes away, and Inorbit Mall can be reached in approximately 20 minutes. Raidurg metro station is around 25 minutes away, while the Indian School of Business is roughly 30 minutes away from the project. Apollo Hospitals in Jubilee Hills is about 35 minutes away, and Rajiv Gandhi International Airport can be reached in around 50 minutes. And when it comes to lifestyle, Prestige Golden Grove offers a wide range of amenities that cater to every age group. Residents can relax at the grand clubhouse, work out at the fully equipped gym, enjoy a refreshing swim in the swimming pool, or spend quality time with the family and at the kids' play area. Multi-purpose lawns and beautifully planned open spaces that creates a vibrant community atmosphere. Now talking about the apartment options. So the 2 BHK homes are available in sizes ranging from 1169 to 1281 square feet with the prices starting from 1.10 crore rupees onwards. If you are looking for a 3 BHK, there are multiple options available. So the 3 BHK with the 2 toilets range from 1516 to 1648 square feet starting at 1.23 crore rupees onwards. The 3 BHK with the 3 toilets comes in sizes from 1837 to 2162 square feet with the prices starting from 1.66 crore rupees onwards. There is also a 3 BHK with a study room offering 2462 square feet of space and starting price is 1.99 crore rupees onwards. For larger families, the project also offers 4 BHK residences. The 4 BHK with the 4 toilets ranges from 2723 to 2728 square feet starting at 2.17 crore rupees onwards, while the 4 BHK with the staff room is available in sizes between 2900 to 3013 square feet with the prices starting from 2.36 crore rupees onwards. Across all configurations, the homes are designed with a spacious layout, premium finishes, large balconies, excellent natural light, and smart space planning. Talking about the possession, so the possession is expected by March 2031, making it a great option for buyers planning a future home or a long-term investment. Overall, Prestige Golden Grove is an excellent choice if you are looking for a premium home in Hyderabad with the Prestige Group's trusted legacy, a large integrated township, modern amenities, spacious residences, and excellent connectivity to the city's major IT hubs and lifestyle destination. So it offers everything today's home buyers look for in a modern community. So for brochure, latest pricing detail, payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link which is provided in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.